We'll guide you through how to create transition effects in CapCut using the most recent methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. You'll be prompted to import your video clips. Once your clips are in the timeline, decide where you want to add your transition effect. First, navigate to the top right panel, then Clock Transitions. This is where you can add your transition. Click on it to open the transition library. Here, you'll find a variety of transition effects like fade, zoom, and spin. Select the one that fits your project best. After choosing a transition, adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the transition box to fit your needs. You can preview the transition by clicking the play button above the timeline. If you want to adjust the transition further, click on the transition box again to open the Properties panel. Here, you can tweak the speed and direction for more precise control. Once you're satisfied with how the transition looks, make sure to save your project by clicking the Export button at the top right corner. This will render your video with the transitions included. And just like that, you've added a professional-looking transition to your video. It's a great way to make your edits look more polished and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.